Hey, what's up guys, it's your girl EfyaKimora here. You're welcome to my channel EfyaKimora. Thank you so much for coming back. You know how you do it, I love you so much. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit on the notification button for more videos. Guys, in today's video we are going to do a different thing altogether. As you can read from the title, we're going to review a wig I bought online. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, this is a parcel. I received it through the VIP parcel delivery. Here is it. Yes, my name, my number, and my location. So we're going to unbox it together. This is how it's coming from my customer. In a brown envelope. Ta-da! Here is a wig. Okay, this is the wig. This is how it looks like inside, with a band to hold your hair tight. Okay, this is the wig. Euphorian hair grade 10A, 8 inches. Wet curls, but it's not yet wet. Now it's dried. I'll dry it, I'll wet it for you to see how it looks like, and you're going to try it on. So this is it. It's not yet wet. You're going to wet it and then see the one too. This is how it is when it's dried. So you're going to wet it, then you see the one too.
One eternity later. Okay,
now I've wet it. Oh, it's wet now. With water now, it's having a wet curl product. That is the curl keeper, and other products, that is the mousse and other products that will make it. When you use only water, it is going to dry off soon. But when you add the other curl keeper products, it's going to make it look wet, even though it will dry, but it will still look wet. Guys, I'm not a hair expert, so pardon me if I make mistake or I mislead you in any way. So we are going to try the wet on. This is how it is when it's wet. One I only used water, and we have other products too. So there's a closure. It's a closure. So this is it. It's very cute, simple, and nice. It's 100% human hair. Yeah. So this is it. How do I look, guys? I hope it's looking good on me. Okay guys, I got the wig from the City Wigs, the City Luxury Wigs. You can check her page out on Instagram. She is located at Accra, Boucher, very affordable wig. You can get all kinds of wigs and stuff. The city wigs on Instagram. I'll put the name to her page, to her Instagram page in the description below so that you can check it out. So here is it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you love my wig too. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, share to your friends and loved ones. Until we meet again in my next video, it's a girl EfyaKimora here, and love you. Bye bye.